All right, and those people, so this is a super easy problem. Remember, this is 35, right? This is 35. So pretty much every angle is going to be 35, okay? And then this angle is 35, this angle is 35. And so every single obtuse angle is going to be 180 minus 35, which is 145, right? So every single angle over here, every obtuse angle is going to be not only two, okay? Every single one is going to be 145. And this is what we've done before. We've done this idea before in my regular lesson. This is just a practice for those of you who have done my lesson, my regular subscribers to my boot camp. They've already seen this lesson, and now they're just applying it, right? Well done, Queenly. Well done, well done, well done, Angela. Well done, Martin. Well done, Lara. Right? So excellent job, Sneha, Mads, excellent. So remember, this one is they're asking for 2, so be careful, okay? They're asking for 2, not for 1. So 1 is 35, and 2 over here. Well done, Salim. Yes, well done, well done. So remember, they're asking for this is given to you. This is an acute, and they're asking for an obtuse. So remember, what it is going to be is 100 minus 145. Okay. So if you have any questions on this, just a message to me privately, and then we can talk. We can discuss more. But let's move on, folks, to another problem here. Okay, let's get going. Let's try another angles problem. All right. Let's try this one. Okay, give me 1 second. All right, let's try this one, okay? So remember the idea that I told before, fill in all of the information about the angles and the exterior angle theorem, okay? So those of you who know what the exterior angle theorem is, right? This guy is gonna be equal to this plus this, okay? Right, this guy is equal to this plus this. So remember, we're gonna use that one right now, okay? So let's try it. All the stuff that I've taught you in the previous sessions, right? We're gonna use it over here. So try it over here. And those who can solve this, I'm going to give you a challenge problem. Okay. So those of you everybody should try to solve this one. And once you do that, I'm going to give you a challenge problem. Okay. So do it. Wait for you for a few minutes. Great. Some of you are getting it. Remember, the idea is that this guy, yes. So think about it. If this is 106, right? If this is 106, what do you think is this guy going to be? Okay. What do you think is this going to be? Right? What do you think is this guy going to be? This guy is going to be 180 minus 106, right? 180 minus 106 is going to be 74, right? So this is 74. Now, you already know the exterior angle theorem, right? X is equal to 74 plus 23. That's what you need to know already, okay? You can already calculate it. 74 plus 23 is going to be the exterior angle over here. So X is equal to 74 plus 23, as fast as that, okay? 97. If you don't know what this is, you'll have to watch my stuff. Well done, Queenly. Yes, excellent, excellent. So yeah, that's the answer. Excellent job. Now here's the challenge problem for some of you, okay, who have already solved it. Okay, try this problem now. And for those of who don't know this, this idea, what's going on over here, right? Think about it like this. Any triangle, right, has 3 angles over here, right? 3 angles over here, and then there's an extra exterior angle here. So this angle's value, this guy's value, right? This star value over here, right, is equal to this guy plus this guy, not this guy. This guy plus this guy. All right. So now try this one, guys. Yes, go for it. See if you can try this. Meanwhile, I'll get rid of this problem and we can work on another great problem here. Mhm. So what's going on here? What's going on here? Let's look at it. This is still a harder problem, right? This is a harder problem. So let's look at it real quick. You don't really need to understand this, right? This is like a 700 plus type of a problem, but see what's going on over here, okay? So let's try and understand what's going on. You're given x plus y is equal to u plus v, right? And again, this is a harder problem. So x plus y, guys, is equal to u plus w, right? Now, you already know u is equal to y. This guy is equal to this. Why? Because it's vertically opposite, vertical angles. Okay, it's vertical angles. So y is equal to u. So y is equal to u over here, right? So you can basically just subtract y from both sides, right? So this cancels out, and because u is equal to y, right over here, u is equal to y. Look, u is equal to y over here. So this is going to cancel out, and magically x is equal to w, right? X is equal to w, which means this guy is actually equal to this, right? So x is equal to w. So now I'm going to mark all of these angles which are equal, okay? So let's see which angles are equal, folks. X is equal to w, right? But now also note that x is also equal to t, right? So all these orange angles are actually the same measure, and then w is equal to z. So all these angles have the same measure, right? All the orange angles, and then you already know y is equal to u. So that's going to be marked over here with a red sign. So this red and this red. Okay. So now that you have this information, solve the problem. All the orange angles are the same. Okay. So if all the orange angles are the same, try it. Yes. Yes. So is x equal to z? Try to figure it out. Is x is over here, right? This is x and this is z. They're both orange, right? So yes, that works. Is y equal to w? No. Y and u are kind of separate. They're kind of separate, and these four angles are the same, right? So this one is out, right? This one is out. And then, well done, Nigel, Sneha, Daisy, Angela. Again, this is a harder problem. Martin, you got the answer as well. Well done, you're the first person, so congrats. All right, so great. And Salim, you got the answer. Excellent. So okay, so what's, and then z is equal to t, right? This guy is equal to this guy, right? So this is these are the same. So 1 and 3, which gives this as the correct answer. Okay, so be careful. Look at this problem. You're going to have the recording of it. So look at it again. It's a harder problem. Don't worry about it. If you in case, right? Some people have geometry, they like it. Some people have difficulty with it. So don't worry about it if you're not able to solve it. That's not the biggest concern right now. Okay. This problem, the one I'm showing to you right now, that one is important. So you've got to pretty much memorize the steps here. Okay. But see what you can do with this. And remember, for the people who I did this problem, similar problem just a few days ago, what's the meaning of this? This should give you a big hint. Remember I said whenever they say something which is parallel, what does it say about these two sides? What does it say about these two sides? It says that these two sides are similar, right? Automatically you'll get it, right? That's the shortcut, right? Yes, Daisy, they're similar. Well done. They're similar. There are a lot of reasons why they're similar, but as soon as they say this piece is parallel, something is parallel, this line is parallel to this, these two triangles are similar. So now try to solve the problem, find out what is CE, okay? Okay, so first find out what is this length, guys. Find out what is this length, and then you're done, okay? Yes, Lara, yes. Excellent, Martin. Well done, Mads. Well done, Mads. So now Mads and Salim, find out CE, all of those, the full length, because that's what's asked. Well done, Queen Lee. Well done, Sneha. Exactly right, right? Because this guy is this is twice of this. So what is twice of 8, right? That's what you got to do. So that's 4, and then you add these 2, and that's 8, right? Remember the whole idea. They've never ever mentioned it's similar, right? So the hint to you is that as soon as you see this guy, or they might even write it, right? AE is parallel to CD, right? As soon as they write it, it should click. right? This means these two triangles are similar, right? And then you know what to do, right? You're just going to write the ratio, right? Again, we've done this many times in my class. That's why people are able to answer this. If you're having trouble, right, consider joining the whole boot camp, right? So you're going to write CV over, right, CB, this is parallel to this, so CB over BE, right, which is 8, is equal to, right, is equal to 5 over 10, right, 5 over 10. And then you can solve this, right? So you can see how the scale factor goes. This is half of this, so this is half of this, so this can be 4, right? A variety of ways of thinking about this, right? So remember, this is such an easy problem. Don't miss it, okay? Don't miss it, okay? And if you're having trouble, then you should consider joining my boot camp, right? We have classes every 2 days. Today we had 2 classes, right? We had 2 classes. Some of my subscribers are here attending both the sessions. Good on you. Good on you. Hardworking people here. So excellent job, okay? Now, this is a problem where many people had difficulty, okay? This is a problem where a ton of people have difficulty. So this is a hard problem. I'm going to give you a hard problem, but at the same time, I'm going to give you an easy problem. So first, you need to solve an easy problem here. Let's try to solve an easy problem, guys. And then I think this batch is real quick. We should probably move on to circles. Okay, so what we're going to do is let's move back to isosceles, because that's a nice one. Remember, these charts, these diagrams, they look crazy, they look hard, but they're actually super easy, okay? They're not hard, okay? Once you learn with me, they become so easy to solve, okay? So try to solve this problem. I've had so many students in the past having trouble with this problem, okay?